Here comes the ice cream truck. Today's Tuesday.
Is Saturday Tuesday?
It's pay entertainer.
So good right now.
Yes.
Yeah.
What kind are you gonna get, Jason?
I'll walk to the pop-up. Miss Missy, here comes the ice cream truck.
I know it's coming. Like on the
Alright. Okay, it's coming. Entertainer.
He's so excited. This is like so exciting. All right, let's see what we have. Yeah, she does more. All right, what you getting?
Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Are you pay entertainer?
You want? Which one do you want?
Are you pay entertainer?
Say it again.
Are you pay entertainer?
Look, I have money. You can pick what you want.
Yeah. Can we just have ice cream, please?
What do you want to get? Yeah, tell her what you
SpongeBob Popsicle.
Oh, maybe you want that.
like Spider-Man. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, and then I'm gonna do.
I got it.
I'm gonna do the mango.
I got it.
Very good.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're the best.
You want SpongeBob or Spider-Man? The Spider-Man and then
I got a SpongeBob Popsicle. It's mine.
We'll do ours separate. I guess I'll have to treat you next time. Okay, this is for I'm sorry. I didn't mean for you not to. Oh wait, and I need to get a crumble cookie bar. Sorry. For my tutoring student. That's what he
He's a Ford fan. Hey. Yeah. He's playing Ford fan. Yeah, Miss Missy, guess what?
Alright, thank you.
I got a SpongeBob Popsicle.
Very good.
Yeah. Bye, man.
Norman, did you want a popsicle?
Okay, sorry, sure, it's okay.
She knows she wants more.